In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msimg32.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we need to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option in the right pane. Simply type sfc space forward slash scan now. Scan now just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and then restart. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Step 2, we need to check the system type first. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of the system type and then open a browser, any browser. Search for the missing DLL and put download. Okay, hit enter. And then just simply click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button depending or that is corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right-click, select copy, and go to this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, double-click, then right-click and then select paste. Once done, close the remaining windows and right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Step 3, open the browser again. Search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.